Which ovulation test is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, easy at home 50 ovulation and 20 pregnancy test strips. Let's kick things off with the easy at home 50 ovulation test strips and 20 pregnancy test strips combo kit. Priced at $19.99, this product immediately caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 10,000 purchases just last month. If you want to maximize your chances of conceiving naturally, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit is designed for women trying to conceive, offering the ability to predict your most fertile days even if your cycle is irregular. The tests detect LH surges effectively, so you won't miss your peak fertility window. With a detection sensitivity of just 25 MIU per ml, you'll get accurate results in just 5 minutes. Plus, the intuitive reading means a line as dark or darker than the control line is a positive result. Now, some people complained about the accuracy of the strips towards the end of their cycle. Here's the thing though, in your cycle, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep track of your results and you'll enhance your chances of success. This is perfect for you if you're actively trying to conceive and want a reliable yet budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you're looking for a more high-tech digital solution. For the price, you really can't beat what you're getting here.
Product number 2, easy at home 25 ovulation test strips. If the larger kit's price point bothered you, the easy at home 25 ovulation test strips pack is priced at just $9.99. This caught my attention because it offers the same reliable testing, but in a smaller quantity. If you want something affordable and straightforward, this is worth considering. These strips are also designed for women trying to conceive, giving you a chance to predict your most fertile days even if your cycle can vary. The ease of use is a huge plus here. Just dip the strip, check the result, and you're good to go. The Pre-Mom app will even help you track your results without keeping messy urine tests around. With results in about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll know where you stand quickly. However, some users mentioned that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. I'll be real with you, that can be frustrating. But if you're more focused on the test results themselves rather than the app's functionality, this isn't a deal breaker. This kit is perfect for you if you're new to ovulation testing and want a simple, hassle-free option. Skip this if you're looking for a comprehensive tracking solution. At this price, it's a solid buy for anyone starting their fertility journey.
That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more tests. The Easy at Home 50-pack ovulation test strips retails for $16.99, which feels like a steal considering the quantity. If you're serious about tracking ovulation, this is definitely worth a look. Just like the previous Easy at Home kits, these strips are specially designed to help you predict your most fertile days. The difference here is the sheer number of tests you get. If you miss a few days or want to test multiple times, this kit has you covered. You'll still get that accurate detection of LH surges at just 25 MIU per ml in about 5 to 10 minutes. Some buyers have reported that the color intensity can sometimes be hard to interpret. Now, here's the thing. Understanding the readout can take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel more confident in identifying your surge. This is perfect for you if you're dedicated to tracking your cycle closely. Skip it if you prefer a digital option that gives you instant feedback. With all those tests, you're really getting your money's worth here.
Product number 4, Clear Blue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test Kit. The Clear Blue Advanced Digital Ovulation Test Kit, priced at $39.99. Now, I know this is on the higher end, but if you're looking for precision and a bit of tech, this one stands out. If you want to double your chances of getting pregnant in your first cycle, this is worth your attention. This test is over 99% accurate at detecting LH surges. The digital display is incredibly user-friendly, showing a smiley face for peak fertility days, which really takes the guesswork out of it. Plus, it tracks both LH and estrogen levels, which is a game changer for fertility tracking. The free app helps log your tests and cycle, making it easy to plan. Now, some folks say the price point is a bit steep, especially if you're used to traditional strips. Here's the reality. If you value convenience and clarity in your results, the investment could be totally worth it. This kit is ideal for you if you want a high-tech approach to ovulation testing. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution. The accuracy and features make it a premium choice, especially for serious planners.
Product number 5, Pregmate 50 Ovulation Test Strips Predictor Kit at $15.95.
This caught my eye because it combines affordability with reliability, making it a great option for many. If you want something straightforward and effective, this one's worth checking out. These strips are designed to accurately detect your LH surge with over 99% accuracy. They're easy to use and give results quickly, helping you pinpoint your most fertile days without hassle. Just like other kits, they detect LH levels as low as 25 mg per ml, which is essential for catching that surge. That said, some users mentioned that they found the results less intuitive than digital tests. Honestly, that can be frustrating if you're not used to reading test strips. However, if you're comfortable with a little practice, you should be fine. This kit is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective, reliable option without the frills. Skip it if you prefer digital clarity in your results. With 50 tests, you're getting a fantastic deal for the price.
To wrap things up, we covered a range of options today. The Easy at Home Combo Kit is great for those wanting both ovulation and pregnancy tests in one. If you're looking for something simpler, the 25-pack from Easy at Home is a solid choice. The 50-pack is perfect if you want to be thorough, while Clear Blue offers a premium digital experience. Lastly, PregMate is an affordable and reliable option. Each has its strengths, so choose what fits your needs best.